you could probably make 50,000 naira weekly, 200,000 naira monthly, or even more than that. So if you're out there, you've been thinking which way can you actually make money for yourself online, you need another stream of income, you actually want to pay a lot of bills, you've been thinking what else can I actually do, you want to have a passive income, the things you can actually be doing to start giving you an extra income online. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys top 5 side hustle ideas for women in year 2022 in Nigeria. So guys can actually try this as well, but I just believe women really need most of this a lot. So if you're a woman outside there and you actually made another side hustle for yourself, you really want to make money for yourself online, so this video is actually there for you. Number 5 actually blew my minds up, so I'm going to be walking you guys through from number 1 to number 5, so I need you to stick to the very end of this video so that you don't miss out on any of this information which I'm going to be sharing with you. So you don't really need to do every of the 5 which I'm going to be sharing. You could probably jump on any one of them which you know. You could probably start right now, start using that to make money for yourself. So if this video interests you, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video so that you don't miss out on any. Like and share this video so as to reach out to more people who will be interested in watching this video. So without further ado guys, let's dive in. The number 1 on my list right now is social media management. So social media management, so I would rather say that you putting other people's business online. So we have a lot of people doing business these days, and people using social media to market their products, to showcase their products or businesses online are actually using social media. And based on research, 60% of people using internet are actually using social media to market their product or services, and out of those 60% of people, we have just 20% of people that are actively posting, doing a lot of stuff on their social media. This is to show you that a lot of people are out there who really believe social media can really help their business, but they don't really have much time in posting, being consistent about them posting online on their social media. So what you simply want to do, you really want to go out there and search for people who have not started using social media in the first place. So people who have not really used social media in the first place, those are one of your target audience, people who have not started putting their business on social media, and people who are already on social media but they are not actively posting, they are not doing a lot of content on their social media. So this is what you simply want to do. You need to reach out to these people, schedule a meeting with them, let them know the importance of having a social media, let them know that you can actually manage their social media for them. You could be the one creating content for them, you can be the one replying their text, posting of their products and all of that. When you reach out to these people on social media, you let them know the benefit of them having a social media and how you can really help their business by being their social media manager. So what you simply need to do, go on Google, go on Instagram or on Facebook, look out for who has not been using who have not been actively posting on their social media, who their social media account is not really doing well. So what you simply want to do is to go ahead and pitch to these people, letting them know that you could probably be their social media manager and manage their social media for them. So this is one way you can actually make money for yourself online. You can imagine you have like 5 different clients and you are getting paid like 30,000 or 40,000 monthly from like 5 different clients which you are managing social media for. So basically what do you do as a social media? You create a content for them, you post pictures. Posting a picture doesn't really take much time on Instagram or on Facebook. You will probably post within 2 minutes, create content for them, post pictures, get pictures or videos, post for them. Basically that is what you just do for this company online, and you reply to their message when they have anybody making inquiries about their products. So this is basically what you do as a social media. I make a video recently now about how to become a social media manager. So this video really helps you a lot if you actually want to get started with being a social media manager. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video. Kindly go ahead, and you can even find it up here as well. So go ahead and watch the video so that you understand more about how to get social media manager clients, how to get started with it, how to post, the things you need to know about before you starting being a social media manager. So being a social media manager is another cool way any women how they can actually venture in and start making money for themselves, because out there we have a lot of people doing business, they're kind of busy, they want to focus on more some other stuff, and you are out there, even if you're a student or you just need another stream of income for yourself. You can probably go out there and pitch to people that you can be their social media manager and start creating content for them, and they pay you. You can imagine you getting paid for 40,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 50,000 naira monthly as a social media manager, and you having different kind of people you are doing this for. You can imagine how much you're simply going to be making in a month for yourself. So this is a cool way anybody can actually make money online. So the number 2 which I'm going to be talking about is you to teach something online. So probably you could teach anything online. So basically I would just say you could teach languages. There are different type of stuff you can teach online. There's this knowledge that you have, and some people does not have this kind of knowledge. So this is what you want to do. There are several platforms which you can render your service as a teacher. For instance, you're teaching languages. There's a platform whereby you can teach different kind of language. You can teach people who doesn't understand your local dialect, like Yoruba, like Hebrew, like Hausa. There's a platform whereby you can always teach people who really want to learn about this language. So if you can simply visit italki.com, so I'm going to be dropping the link and you can find it in the description here as well, italki.com. So on this platform we have a lot of people that actually want to learn different kind of language. So if you can speak your local dialect very well, you can speak Igbo very well, you can speak Hausa very well, or Yoruba, or whichever language you know, you can simply teach out there. There's a platform like italki.com, like the different platform out there which you can simply be teaching people your language. When you teach them your language, so they pay you to teach them. So this is really like they pay you before even you start the service for them. So this is like you having the students which you are actually teaching online. So what you do basically is that you teach the language which you understand. This is not something you really need to like go extra somewhere to learn it before you even start. So this is something you can simply start right now. Go ahead to italki.com, and on this platform you find different kind of topic different kind of languages you can simply teach anybody out there, and you see students enrolling inside your class. You make payment. You put it out there that you're going to be teaching people for this kind of language for $100, and people are going to apply. A lot of people are actually looking for these opportunities online. So you can simply go ahead to this website and register as a teacher, and you find students who you are going to be teaching, and you get paid for doing all of this. So teaching is another thing. You could probably spare 3 hours of your time in a day to just be teaching people, and a lot you can actually make from this by teaching people online. So this is another cool way anybody can actually make money for themselves online. So the number 3 business idea I'm going to be sharing is called retail arbitrage. So retail arbitrage is actually when somebody needs a product and you go out there, you look for the product, the person actually pays you, you go out there, look for the product, and you get it to the person. So this really means you getting a product from the person that owns the product. You don't really own this product, but somebody you know actually need this particular product. You go out there, you collect the money from this person. The product can simply be 5,000 naira, and you collect 10,000 naira from the person that need the product, that you're going to get this product for them, and you go out there, source for this product at a lower rate, and you sell it to the person that need it at higher rates. For instance, you get the product for 5,000 naira and you sell it for 10,000 naira. So you're actually making 5,000 naira from the difference. So anybody can actually try this. There are various stuff you can actually sell online. There are platforms like gg.com, which you can always visit. You find different kind of vendors selling things at a very cheaper rate, and you out there, you can simply post all of these products on your own to your own audience, probably on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. You post this business to this product to all of these people. So when anybody need that particular product, they pay you, you go get the product and you deliver to them. So you sell the product at higher rates when you get it at a lower rate. So you're actually making profits from the difference. So this is a cool way anybody can actually make money for themselves online. So fourth business idea which I'm going to be sharing with you is to sell your products on TikTok. Like seriously, these days a lot of people are jumping into different kind of trend on TikTok. If you go out there on your status, on your Instagram, you begin to see different kind of people using TikTok these days. So TikTok recently launched this business model into their TikTok business. That is where you can simply sell products via TikTok. So you don't really need to have a lot of large audience before you start selling your product on TikTok. So what you simply need to do is to go ahead to your TikTok, and under the TikTok you have option to post your products. You have option to post your products and begin to use hashtag of trending TikToks. And when you see when you include this hashtag in your post, everybody, the moment they are watching a very funny videos on TikTok, they begin to see more of your product. So you probably have a product selling and you put it out there on TikTok. TikTok recently launched these features into their app, so anybody selling products out there can simply jump on this TikTok and start selling their product as well. So TikTok already have a lot of audience, people jumping on it. Almost everybody is using TikTok these days. So what you simply want to do is to start selling your product on TikTok as well, because there are a lot of brand influencer out there. You can even simply become a brand influencer, and with that you can begin to promote other people's products even if you don't want to work as you selling your own product directly. So this is a very cool way you can actually make money from TikTok. So I'm going to be dropping a link below this video how you can get started with selling on TikTok as well. So the number 5 which I'm going to be sharing with you is to start a YouTube channel. So starting a YouTube channel can be a lot of time you might be thinking it's something so hard. It's not really something so hard. You just need to figure out which content you need to be putting out there online. So anybody can basically start a YouTube channel. You don't really have to be showing your face just like this, showing your face on camera. And I believe a lot of people are kind of shy showing their face on camera. So what you simply need to do, you don't really need to be showing your face. What you simply need to do is to record your voice and just edit some pictures, slide. You don't just record your screen or your mobile phone. Show people the things you can always do, the things you can actually do for yourself. And when you get a lot of subscribers and watch hours to your channel, YouTube begin to pay you for every views you are having on your channel. So this is really cool. What you simply need to do, get your phone ready, get your phone and press the record button. And when you press the record button, start creating content which people will really love to see. Even if it's something that you can always teach people, probably you know how to sew clothes, you know how to bake cake, you know how to make different kind of things. You can simply begin recording all of these activities, this skill you can simply do. When you begin to do all of these, you put the video out there on YouTube. So when you get a lot of subscribers, you have watch hour, then you partner with YouTube, and YouTube starts paying you for you creating videos on your channel. And the more you are getting more views, the more money you are making for yourself. And to do is to get your phone ready, get a tripod to hand your mobile phone. Even if you don't have a camera, you can simply use your mobile phone, start recording, and this can really fetch you a whole lot of money when you begin to put out content and you have subscribers who have already subscribed to your YouTube channel. So this can really fetch you more money online. So if you really find value in this video, I need you to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video so as to reach out to more people who might be interested in watching this video. So I made mention of 5 different things you can simply jump on right now to start making money for yourself. You can simply start social media management, you can start retail arbitrage, you can start teaching online. Visit italki.com. On this platform you can teach people different kind of languages online, and as well you can also sell your product on TikTok or become a brand influencer. So when you become a brand influencer, people pay you to advertise their product for them. So you being a brand influencer, you have a lot of followers, you have thousands of followers following you on TikTok. You can simply use this and begin to advertise other people's products on TikTok, because TikTok is actually trending. A lot of people are jumping into different kind of trend these days. So what you simply need to do is you to monetize everything you are doing on this channel. You can simply be promoting other people's products and you get paid for it. So another one is to start up a YouTube channel. Starting up a YouTube channel don't really have to be more costly. You can simply get yourself your phone, get your phone ready. You simply have a phone. That's why you're watching this video. Get your phone ready, get a tripod for yourself, or even just hang your phone somewhere. Teach people on whatsoever create content out there. You can show people how to do things. You can show people how to tie gele. You can show people how to do different kind of things. And when you do all of this, you have a lot of subscribers already, you have a lot of views, people viewing your videos. With this, you can actually make a lot of money for yourself when you get your channel monetized by YouTube, and YouTube starts paying you on every video you put out there. And this is a very cool way anybody can simply make money for themselves online. So I need you to just jump on any of this information which I just shared with you guys, as this can really help you to make some cool money for yourself online. So all of these things are the things which I've tried, I've shared with other people, and they've tried it as well, and it's really helping them today. I believe you guys can jump on this and start making some cool money for yourself online. So I'm going to be dropping every link which I mentioned in this video, so that you guys can just visit and go ahead and start doing whatsoever you want right now, and start making money for yourself online. So if you find value in this video, please don't forget to like and share this video so as to reach out to more people out there. So thank you guys for joining me today.